Here we have a 2008 Boston Whaler 305 Conquest. It's a beautiful boat. It's absolutely just as clean as it could be. Step aboard. Beautiful clean cockpit. This helm area is enclosed and air conditioned, so you never have to worry about sweating. Beautiful electronics. As you can see, the helm clean and shiny. I can't find a speck of dirt on this boat anywhere. Come on downstairs with beautiful teak and holly floor. Microwave, stereo, refrigerator, freezer, a little television in here. It's got a diesel generator. Those poles there are for the aft